In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity on Airbnb. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that the whole process is as smooth and straightforward as possible. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Airbnb.com and ensure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a glance at the top right corner of your screen, where you'll spot the three-line menu icon situated next to your profile picture. By clicking on this, a drop-down menu will appear, guiding you to select the Account Settings option. This is your gateway to managing various aspects of your Airbnb profile. Now that you're in the account settings, look for the section titled Personal Information. Here you'll find an option labeled Identity Verification. Click on Start to begin the verification process. As you proceed, hit Continue to move forward. It's essential to approach this part with care because the information you provide needs to match official government records. Airbnb might request details like the last 4 digits of your social security number, depending on where you're located, or alternatively, a government-issued ID. You have the flexibility to choose between these options. If you decide to use a government ID, make sure you provide a clear and legible photo. You can do this by either uploading an existing photo or taking one on the spot using your webcam. Alternatively, for those on the go, the Airbnb mobile app is a handy tool for this task. Remember to select your country or region, then choose the type of ID you wish to use. This could be a passport, a driver's license, or a national identity card. Once uploaded, simply click on Continue to proceed. The next step involves taking a selfie. This part of the process allows Airbnb to compare your selfie with the photo on your ID. You'll have the option to decide how this matchup occurs. You can opt for a manual review by Airbnb's team for a more personal touch, or go with automatic facial recognition for a swifter outcome. Either way, rest assured that Airbnb handles this with a high level of security and professionalism. Upon completion of these steps, you're all set. Airbnb will take it from here and will notify you as soon as your identity verification is confirmed. It's a streamlined process designed to ensure the safety and security of the Airbnb community, and once done, you'll have peace of mind knowing your account is securely verified. And just like that, you've done it. You've successfully verified your identity on Airbnb. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more Airbnb tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.